And hello everyone, welcome back to your Python tutorial. So today we will just be talking about comments. And the reason I teach you comments first is because if you're going to follow along, I want you to be able to make comments along the way, which you can read. So I'm going to show you an example of comment. If you put a hashtag on a line, anywhere on the line, anything behind that hashtag is now a comment. It will not be read by the program. So if you go here inside my folders, you can see here I have a youtube.py folder, and that youtube.py is basically this folder right here. So if I go here and I just say ls youtube.py, if I say let's say if I run it, then nothing happens. Now let's say I want to say here your code goes here. There's no problem. But if I wanted to say that without that, your code goes here, and I save that, then it's going to tell me like, wait, what's this? Why is this here? That is because anywhere where there's a hashtag, Python immediately stops reading. We'll get more into when Python does not stop reading, but for hashtags, we'll get into that later. But this hashtag can be anywhere. We can literally go print. I'll get to this in the next video. You can just look at it now. You can literally just print something random to the screen, and we can add a hashtag here, say print data, and then a hashtag below it like continue, and here we can say begin. If we run that, nothing else happens. It just runs this piece of code, and wherever this is, it doesn't run it. But this also means, even if this is a word that says you should do something, if you put a hashtag in front of it, it will no longer run. It will just be a comment as well. So just bear that in mind. There's another way you can create comments, which is if you put 3 single quotes and then another 3 single quotes. These are called multi-line comments. So this is a single line comment, because if I press enter, then I can start writing code, unless I make it a comment again. So it's a single line comment. But this right here, this isn't a single line comment. We can even put them like this. If I go here, I can put some text here, and there's nothing special that has to be here. I can put my text here. I'm gonna put my text here. There would be nothing wrong with it because it's a comment. There's nothing that has to be here. So anything within these 6 single quotes, anything between them is a comment. So I can put print here, print hello, and if I run that, nothing happens. And I can even copy this and put this somewhere else, put it there, save that, close Chrome, and if I run this, you see nothing happens. So this is a multi-line comment. It's because you can have multiple lines. I like to remember it by going like this. Multi-line comments. Because you can have multiple lines. Because if you try to have a multiple line comment with these, you can go, then you'll have to do something like this. Multi-line comments. So you'll need 3 hashtag comments, 3 single line comments to create a multi-line comment like this, where with this you only need that first part. So yeah, that's a comment. It doesn't get executed by the program, it gets skipped. There are cases, for example, if you get print and in quotation marks you put a hashtag there, that will get printed because that is in a string. We'll get more into what strings is, but this is basically a word. If it's not in quotation marks, it's not a word. Same with the multi-line comment. If we go, there's 6, and if we do this, we print it, it still works perfectly fine. Okay, and thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all.